Hi friends, I'm Miss B, and today I'm reading a book called Finding Wild. It's about finding the wilderness wherever you are. It's written by Wagner Lloyd, and the illustrator is Abigail Halpin. So come take a seat and let's read. Finding Wild by Wagner Lloyd, pictures by Abigail Halpin. Finding Wild. What is wild, and where can you find it? Wild is tiny and fragile and sweet baby new. It pushes through cracks and crannies and steals back forgotten places. Sometimes wild is so tricky you have to squint to see it. And then there are times you can't possibly miss it. Wild creeps and crawls and slithers. It leaps and pounces and shows its teeth. Wild is full of smells. Fresh mint, ancient cave, sun-baked desert, sharp pine, sea salt, every scent begging you to drink it in. Wild is forest fire hot and icicle cold. It's as smooth as the petals of poppies and as rough as the fierce face of a mountain. Watch out! Wild can hurt, itch, burn, ouch, sting. But wild can also soothe. Gentle breeze, cheering sun, soft rain. Wild keeps many secrets, waiting to be discovered, like it's candy. Honey from bees and sap from trees, swift melting snowflakes and juice bursting blackberries. Wild roars and barks and hisses and brays. It storm thunders and wind whispers. Wild sings. Oh! Sometimes wild is buried too deep, and it seems like the whole world is clean and paved, ordered and tidy. You look, and all you see are streets and cars and buildings so high they hide the sky. And then, just when you are about to give up, there it is again, old and worn and still standing strong. Wild. I love how this book talks about finding wild, even in places you might not expect it. The other day in my house, I saw a spider web catch a mosquito, and then the spider came out to wrap it up in its web. It was amazing to watch that, and I was still inside my house. So I wonder, where can you find wild in your home? It could be out in a backyard, a park you like to go to, a beach, or even a window or spider web in the corner of your home. Where can you find wild? For an extension lesson based off of this book, check out my video called Curious Seeds Nature Journal, I Spy. And don't forget to like and subscribe.